Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good people. My name is Hanifah Rahman. My affiliation from Mathematics Education of the Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today, I'm going to share to you about my research with the title Knowing Student Mistakes in Solving Statistic Problem to Make Precise Solution. And in my research, there are other authors, namely Dr. Aan Hassana. Okay, let's start by introduction. Mathematics, as the queen of science, means that mathematics is the source of other branches of science. One of the scope of learning mathematics is statistics. And nowadays, statistics in education are becoming increasingly important in the 21st century. At the beginning of the 2020 to 2021 school year, learning in Indonesia was still implementing a direct face-to-face learning system along with the spread of COVID-19, which continued to spread rapidly. With this kind of learning, mathematics learning becomes an efficiency. Therefore, when learning mathematics, many students complain are left behind in learning materials and cannot do the question that have been given by the teacher. Because students have difficulty in working on the question that have been given by the teacher with social media. One of the procedures that can be used in analyzing student error in doing maths problem is using the human error analysis or NEA procedure, so that they can obtain solution for more effective learning. And next, let's discuss about research and method. The approach in this research use a qualitative approach, and the method used in this research is the case study method and data collection technique using test question and interviews. And the subject in this research were students of class 9 of junior high school. And after student answer to test result are analyzed and then divided into 3 groups: high, medium, low ability group, to select a subject to be interviewed. And this is a part result and discussion. Based on the result of the test, it was found that the answer of students still experience many errors. And this is a table result of answer analysis based on human theory of 5 types error. And this is a figure of the result of student answer from several questions. Figure 1 by low category group, figure 2 by medium category group, figure 3 by high category group. From the presentation of subject with low, medium, and high ability group in solving statistic problem, when viewed from the many types of error, it can be seen from the types of error of subject with low ability group. All kinds of error based on Newman's theory are in that group. In addition, based on the factors causing the error that have been analyzed, there needs to be a solution to overcome these factors, especially with the current situation, namely transitional learning. Starting in April 2022, most schools in Indonesia have implemented limited face-to-face learning, so that learning has undergone a transition from online to normal. Online learning that has been carried out has a considerable impact on the mathematics learning process. Therefore, the learning process needs to be prepared as well as possible. One of them is by doing a perception and strengthening prerequisite material before starting new material. And this is a part conclusion. Based on description of the result of the analysis, the errors of the student we were successfully analyzed mostly started from transformation errors and process skill, causing the rating on the answer to end up being wrong. The error occurred due to many factors. Because online learning is about to end and all students will be doing face-to-face learning, a solution is needed to overcome this cause of error that occur in students, namely by always a perception and strengthening the prerequisite material and providing varied practice question as well as doing learning that can make students interested because they have just transitional from online learning. Okay, thank you very much for attention. Hopefully the question research can benefit for you. Let's improve our knowledge by research more. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.